Hi students, welcome. In today's class we are discussing about how to construct an ellipse by using arcs of circle method. Clear? So here, in last videos we are discussing about so many methods for construction of ellipse. Concentric circle method, eccentricity method, rectangle method, parallelogram method. So today class we go for another one, arcs of circle method. Clear? So let's go. Yes, ellipse, the major axis 100 mm, the major axis 100 mm and minor axis let us consider 70 mm. So construction ellipse. So simply mention construct an ellipse of size major and minor axis size is 100 mm and 70 mm is even we go for rectangle method also. Clear? And sometimes let us assume it is instead of straight line value, let us assume we consider as a diameter 100 mm diameter, 70 mm diameter, you go for concentric circle method also, or otherwise 50-50. Okay, but specifically they mention you construct an ellipse by using arcs of circle method means definitely you want to draw the given. Okay, what method they are asking. Clear? Right. So today class by arcs of circle method. Right. So first one is the major axis is and minor axis is 70. So first you draw the major axis, axis means line dot or otherwise long line short line with the gap. So it is the major axis and this one is the minor axis. Clear? Right. Next thing, what are how much given size? 100. So take 50 as the radius, O as the center, 50 as the radius, intersect arc on that. Yeah. So this one is major axis. The 50 size you consider here, it is A, the 50 size, same here also 50 size B. Okay, so this is the major axis, AB is 100 long. Next minor axis 70. So from O, so here 35, from here 35. So this is CD, we consider as minor axis 70 long. So this is 70, this is 100. So after completion of that major, A, B, C, D, major and minor ends, okay. Then you determine focus. You know the focus, how to determine the focus? The half of the major axis as the radius. Okay, either minor axis end C or D as the center, intersect arc on that major axis line, we get fixed point. The fixed point is nothing but focus. Clear? So 50 as the radius, C or otherwise D as the center. So 50 as the radius, C as the center, you intersect arc on both sides. Clear? So this is F1, same, it's intersect, similar case, intersect here also. So this one is F2. So F1 and F2 we get, it is the focus. And also you know that the curve where it is intersecting on that major axis in ellipse especially, that is called vertex. So the A considered as a vertex also V1, the B considered as vertex V2. Already you know that. Clear? Right. So next thing, after completion of this, so want to construct. How? So you divide that line, the distance between O to F1, same 100% equal to O to F2, no? So that distance, the dimension are given line length OF1. You divide into n equal parts. You know the procedure. From OF1 you draw one inclined line from F1 or otherwise O. So for example 4 equal parts means F1 as a center, you take some x radius, we get 1, 2, 3, 4 and last you join it. After that you draw that parallel lines. So this one is equal parts. So this one is number 1, number 2, number 3. So F1 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to center O. Same here also. So either left side or right side, one side is enough. No need both sides. Okay. Not necessary. Clear. Any one side is enough. After that you check which one is the radius where you are considered center. That too, just one hint. So take compass to 1. A to 1 as the radius. You take compass A to 1 as the radius. Understand? A to 1 as the radius. F1 as the center. You draw one arc on both sides, top and bottom. So from A to 1 as the radius, F as the center, intersect. You draw two arcs on top and bottom. Same radius, F2 also consider as a center. So A to 1 as a radius, F1 as a center, both sides you draw arc. Same radius, F2 as a center, you draw two arcs. Next, B to 1. Okay. So first A to 1 is over. Now B is nothing but vertex 2. So B to 1, this is the radius. B to 1 as the radius. Okay. Same F1 and F2. Okay. So first A1 is over, F1 from F2 over. Next, B to 1 as the radius, here to here. F2 as the center, intersect arc on that this curve, and same radius F1 as the center, intersect arc on that these two curve. Clear? From here to here it is a radius, F2 as the center, intersect arc on these two. Same radius, F1 as the center, intersect arc on that these two. Clear? So this one pair, we get 4 intersection of arcs. Understand? So here also. Clear? Next, second pair, A to 2. A to 2 as a radius, F1 and F2 are F1 and F2. A to 2 as a radius, F1 as a center, intersect arc on that. Here, same F2 as a center, intersect arc on that. Here. Next, B to 2. It is another pair. So first A to 2 as the radius, F1 as the center, two sides arc, same F2 as the center, two sides arc. Next, B to 2 as the radius, F2 as the center, intersect arc on that previous one, same radius, F1 as the center, intersect arc on that previous one. Like that, A3, B3, same F1 and F2, F2 and F1. So you get here, from here, like this. Clear? So finally, you join all the curves. Fine. You get ellipse including A, B and C, D. Clear? Like that. You know the procedure, no? So just I draw roughly. Don't forget the procedure. Finally, so initially F1 I got here. Okay. So this one is P1, P2. So these points are by using this procedure you got P4, P5, P6, P7, P8. Clear? So this is the method to construct an ellipse by using arcs of circle method. Okay, sir, where is the circle? That is the question. Arcs is there, where is the circle? Just imagine. So for example, A to 1 as the radius, F1 as the center. Okay, you draw one arc. So that arc actually, so it is one circle. Similar case F2, like this. Same A1 over no F1 and F2. Next B21 is this one. Similar case, understand, like that. So here n number of circles, so it is arcs. So the circles intersection points, so that portions only we are considering, that is arcs, understand. So this is arcs of circle method. Clear? Okay students, in next video we go for how to construct another conic sections. Okay, thank you.